Hi everyone, I'm going to be talking you through my new favourite skincare routine using the Nip and Fab Hyaluronic Fix Extreme4 range. So first we're going to be using the Micellar Daily Cleansing Pack. They are infused with a mix of 4 different amazing skin plumping ingredients, which work amazing together to plump the skin through hydration. I also love how quick and easy they are to use. Next, we're moving on to the hydrating serum. I love how this is such a lightweight serum, and it's great to use morning and night to really hydrate the skin. This works really well if you have dehydrated skin and need a little extra hydration. Next is the concentrate 2%. This is filled with such amazing ingredients that really help bring your hydration to next level. My favorite thing about this product is a little hack of mixing it with your foundation to really get a lovely dewy look. It works so well at really giving yourself that glow. It also works with the perfect chewy base, giving you a really tacky nice finish before your makeup. Next is the amazing Hybrid Gel Cream. This is such an amazing moisturiser that really helps quench your skin's thirst without leaving a greasy feeling. It is also clinically proven to increase your hydration of your skin upon application, which is amazing. My favourite thing about the whole range is the ingredients, as a main one of them really helps reduce redness, and that is something I struggle with, so it's really important to have that in my skincare products. So that is definitely something I love about this range. This is the end result. My skin is so glowy and hydrated, so smooth from using all the products, and it's prepped and ready to go for the rest of the day.